when I think of all the festivals in the world, this is a place where I'm always so happy to come back because you guys are so special. And I know that nothing is going to stop us from partying, and especially not